So this question says the function f is defined for all number x by f of x is equal to x squared plus x if t is a smaller number such that f of 2t is equal to 30. Which two of the following could be the number t? Indicates two such. So now how do we do? The first thing is we have been given that what f of x is equal to what x squared plus x, then f of what 2t is equal to what 30. Now we need to understand that what f of what 2t, right, is the value right of f of the function of what of f of x at what at x is equal to what 2t. That is what it means. So if you now want to write f of 2t, we can say therefore f of what 2t will now be, wherever we see x, we replace it with what 2t. So x squared will now be what 2t square plus x, which is what 2t. Then everything is equal to what 30. So 2t square will definitely give us what 2 square, right? Then what t square, right, plus 2t is equal to what 30. All right, so 2 square will give us what 4. So this will give us 4t square plus what 2t minus 30 is equal to 0. But we can divide through, we can simplify by dividing through by 2. So divide what through, divide through by what 2. So we have what 4t square over 2 plus 2t over 2 minus 30 over 2 is equal to 0 over 2. So with this understanding, we have these two so this will give us 2t square, right, plus 2 cancel 2 plus t minus 2 here 1 2 in 30 minus 15 is equal to what? Equal to 0. So what we want to do is now we want to get the value of t, which is required, you know, in the question. So the only way we can do is to decompose this. I'm assuming that this particular equation can be solved by factorization. So 2 times minus 15, that is minus 30. So we are looking for two factors such that when we add them together it will give us plus 1, because the coefficient of t here is 1, and when we multiply the two together it will give us minus 30. So let's think of the factors of 30. The factors of 30 we can think of is 5 and 6, right, 15 and 2. So we can actually use a combination of what 5 and 6, and that will give us minus 5 and then what plus 6, right? Minus 5 plus 6 will give us plus 1, and minus 5 times 6 will give us what minus 30. So if we now bring it in here, we have what 2t square minus 5t, right, plus 6t minus 15 is equal to what 0. So let's decompose this. So what are we going to be using? We are going to be using t. Can factor t at t into bracket what 2t, right, minus 5, then plus, right, what can we use to factor this? That is what 3 into bracket 2t minus what 5 is equal to what 0. So since 2t minus 5 is common, we pick it as 1. So we have t plus 3 into bracket 2t minus 5 is equal to what 0. So we then have what t plus 3 is equal to 0, and what and 2t minus 5 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 0 minus 3, and also 2t, if minus 5 comes here it becomes plus, is equal to what 5. So t is equal to what minus 3, and what t is equal to, divide both side by coefficient of t, which is 2. So this cancels this, t is equal to what 5 over 2. So the value of t is minus 3 and 5 over 2. So what do we have here? We have the value of t to be what minus 3 and what 5 over 2. So these are the two options that actually validates the solution to the question. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.